Alright, so this is the G36. I got it for, it runs about $110. It's really nice, it has a pretty good weight to it. It's mostly, it's a hard plastic body.
I think it's like ABS plastic.
The metal, the sight is metal sight back there. You know, there's like metal rails. It's pretty good. A whole full metal gearbox with 0.20 gram BBs. It shoots 350 FPS. Really accurate. Adjustable sights. Folding stock right there. You can see. Best to pull it up a little. The thing that I don't like is like the plastic can get worn away a little. Sometimes the semi shoots 2 bullets. So you don't really want to get it worn down there. Mag, this one holds about, I think it's about 470 shots. You can put them together, plastic mag. So let's spin this thing up and shoot.
Alright, so this is how you load the magazine.
You put them in here. Hold it pretty good. So 470.
You don't have 470. That's pretty good actually. Is it full?
No, it's not full. Should I fill it?
Yeah, fill it like 2/3 or halfway, it doesn't matter.
I'm not gonna wear my helmet. Where's the dominant?
They're right by the tire swing.
It's filled up.
Alright, just wind the bottom, right?
Wind the bottom, already wound it, make sure I had a couple in there. So, my friend's gonna go shoot up some other people to watch that.
Like the charging handle also?
If you wanted just to hop up, as you can see, like a real G36 has a charging handle. That's where it would like pull back the charging handle.
It's like right there. You can't see it very well in the light.
It's hard to see.
Yeah, there you go.
And yeah, pull up the mag there.
It's like an AK style magazine.
Just the sights. That one's for more like casual shooting, just like close up and stuff.
Casual.
That one's for like long range, that's about 300 feet. Then let's go shoot some.
Alright.
Come on, let's sneak up behind him.
Oh, dude, they don't have goggles on. I wouldn't put that. Oh, shoot, Ryan. You need your what, Ryan? Yeah, go get it.
So we're gonna test the shooting here a little bit on that retard down there with the white helmet. See? We're gonna shoot him a little. He's gonna tell us where we hit it.
Ryan, stop shooting.
All right.
Are you ready?
Aiming it about his head. It's a little windy right now. Hitting him about that area. Really windy.
Alright, now do full auto.
Alright, so time for some.
Alright, so we're gonna do. Ryan, how many times did he hit you? He can't hear me. How many times did he hit you? 10. So
I fired about 15 shots.
He fired about 15, so he hit him 10 times.
It was really windy just then. We'll do full auto. Put on your helmet.
Full auto. Yeah, you gotta cock it back all legitly. Oh yeah.
Alright, let's light him up.
Alright, I'm gonna take a couple of shots of you.
Alright. As you can see, we're hitting him dead on.
Let me see if I can aim that. Here, try it again. I can see the beat.
I have to hop up and adjust it a little bit. I'd say it's like about half.
Alright, do like a couple more. So as you can see, it's pretty accurate. Ryan, how many times did he hit you? A bunch?
5 missed.
Only 5 missed, wow.
I shot a lot there. Shoots about 16 shots per second.
Yes.
15 BPS.
Right. So that is the Jingong or JG.
Jingong.
I think it is. I think it's Jingong. G36C. And yeah, that's it.
Look at a bunch more software.